Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how I do this eye look. And if you want to see how I do it, then just keep on watching. So first, I primed my eyes with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I just rubbed it on my eyes. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with concealer, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape and just rub this on my eyes for the base. I'm almost out, so I gotta buy another one. Usually I gotta do 2 layers. So now I'm gonna be using the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm gonna use the color Daisy, which is this green color right here, and this is gonna be like the color underneath. And I'm gonna pack on a lot because the first time I used this color, it did not want to show up. So you kind of gotta pack a lot at first and then blend it around. So now this is how the green looks all blended. Now that I got the green blended out on both of my eyes, I'm gonna use another palette for another color, and I'm gonna use the Neon Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna be using this light purple color, and I'm gonna mix it with the green color on the corner of my eye. I'm gonna blend the color in my crease up here with the green, and I'm gonna bring the color kind of outwards of my eye. And now I'm gonna be doing the same thing to my other eye, because this is how it looks now. Now that I blended the green and the purple together on both of my eyes, I'm gonna use the white color in the Daisy Marquez palette, which is called Icy. At first I have to put concealer on my eyelid, so I'm gonna use this Camouflage Hard Candy. It's a foundation, but I'm gonna use it as a concealer. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of my eyelid. So now that I have the base, I'm going to use the white color, and I'm just going to pack it on. By using the concealer, it just makes it a better base for the color to show up more. Now that it's on, I don't want it to look harsh, so I'm going to blend the purple on this side and then the green color on this side with the white. Now I'm gonna add more purple on top of everything to blend out the top of the white. Next, I'm gonna be doing a wing on my eyes with the NYX matte eyeliner. Okay, now that I finished the rest of my face off camera, I just have to finish the rest of the eye look. And because you couldn't really see the green a lot, I'm just gonna put the green eyeshadow on the bottom of my eye. Now I'm gonna go back in with the white color, and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye. It doesn't really show up, so I think I'm gonna put it on the brush and put some setting spray on it, and then try again and put it on the inner corner. That way it shows up more. Lastly, I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. So this is how the final look came out. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video and this eye look, then don't forget to be subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.